Every year, thousands of nurses dream of a better future. Long nights, endless sacrifices. One dream. A dream bigger than themselves. A dream for their family. A dream for those who believed in them. But dreams don't become reality on their own. Sometimes, it begins with a single decision. A decision to step outside your comfort zone. A decision to believe in yourself. A decision to chase the future you've always imagined. Welcome to New Zealand. Welcome to New Zealand Skills Connect, where preparation becomes confidence, where knowledge becomes skill, and where students are never just a number. Every question answered, every concern addressed, every student supported. Preparation starts even before you arrive. With our 2026 virtual OSCE guide, experience realistic OSCE stations. Learn through actor-led demonstrations. Understand what examiners expect. Build confidence from anywhere in the world. Then bring that confidence into real clinical practice, the moment every nurse works for. Because this is more than passing an exam. This is a future. This is the dream becoming reality. Start your journey with New Zealand Skills Connect.